We continue our coverage of the 2025 Defense Innovation Forum in Paris. Today, we're looking at French company CILAS, a joint venture between MBDA, Safran, and Thales, specializing in advanced laser weapon systems. At the forum, CILAS is showcasing a new concept video focused on its latest project known as CDR. At the end of August, the company was awarded a DGA contract to develop a high-energy laser demonstrator with power levels reaching several tens of kilowatts. The objective is clear: to equip surface vessels and protect forward operating bases against emerging threats. The video presents several operational scenarios. In the first scenario, an advanced frigate is fitted with a CDR laser weapon turret, replacing the main gun. A one-way attack UAV approaches the ship and is successfully neutralized by the laser system. Next, an unmanned surface vehicle advances toward the frigate. Instead of destroying it immediately, the laser operates at lower power, acting as a dazzler to blind the vehicle's optical sensors. This demonstrates the system's scalability. It can both disable and destroy targets depending on the threat. As the surface vehicle attempts to evade interception, the laser precisely targets its fuel tank. Heat buildup causes the vehicle to detonate, stopping the attack. Another scenario shows the frigate docked in port within an urban environment. Commercial-type drones approach the vessel. Once again, the laser system operates at reduced power, neutralizing lighter aerial threats while minimizing collateral risk. The video then shifts to a land-based scenario. A forward operating base is attacked simultaneously by mortar rounds and one-way attack UAVs. This time, the laser system is mounted on a mobile truck platform. Incoming threats are detected. Acting as a counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar system, the laser prioritizes the faster incoming mortar round before engaging the UAVs. CILAS also highlights its operational HELMA-P laser system. With a power output of 2 kilowatts, HELMA-P can disable drones at ranges of up to 1 kilometer within seconds, with a reported accuracy rate of 100%. The company is currently under contract to deliver 3 HELMA-P systems, one each for the French Army, Air Force, and Navy, with deliveries expected in the first quarter of 2026. This presentation highlights how laser weapons are rapidly becoming a critical layer in modern air and surface defense.